Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the basics of Notepad++, right? So how to compare two files in Notepad, right? Notepad++. So I will show you how do you compare two files in the Notepad++. So this is the first window which is called here new one. Okay, you can see here this is Notepad++. This is new one. So what I will do now, I will paste a simple code here. So Control V. So you can see I have pasted one code here which is in C language. Then I will open another window. So I will enter Control N. So this is Control N. So you can see the new window new 2 is popped up now. So I will paste the same code here as well. So this is Control V. Okay. So now you have two window for two codes. So this one is for new one and this one is for new two. Okay. So now let us compare these two codes if the syntax or the lines of both codes are matching or not. So I will go here this new two. You can see this is new two. Then I will right click here and you can see now you have to go down and you have to move the other view. So move to other view, just click it here. Now you can see you have new one window here and you have new two window here, and now you can compare your codes or your any command whatever you want to compare in two window by line. Okay, so let us say here written has includes studio.h and the same line is written here, then int main the same line is written here, then you can see here is a curly braces, the same here, then again some line. Okay, this printf scanf jet printf return 0. So hope you have understood how will you compare your two files in the Notepad++. If you have any question, feel free to ask him in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.